Hello friend, welcome to Academy. In this video I'm going to teach you how to install Laravel globally. So let's start it. Go to laravel.com. This is opening. Okay, then go to documentation. Okay, then here installing Laravel via Laravel installer. First download the Laravel installer using composer. Okay, just copy the command on the desktop and open the terminal by Control Shift and right click. Open PowerShell here and just copy and paste the command which we already copied. Sorry. Okay, so after running that command, we need to create a Laravel project. So we have successfully configured Laravel in our global environment. So what I am doing is creating the fresh project on my desktop block by saying Laravel new block. It will automatically create the project on my desktop. Okay, so just write Laravel new blog and press enter. We have successfully created Laravel a new project here. Here you can see just open in PowerShell PHP artisan serve and visit the URL here localhost 8000. Okay, now you can see here clearly we have successfully create our new project using composer command. In next video I will teach you how to create authentication in one command. Okay, so stay with me and thank you very much for your cooperation.